Sorry, Zafika. What did you do with the cable box?
I disconnected it, Becky. As your brother and babysitter, I need to monitor your viewing habits while Mom and Dad are away. Blah, 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 blah. And finally, I'm a huge dork. Are we in agreement?
Totally. Now, shut up. Boylicious is on.
Boylicious? No, no!
Finally now reaching the Pleasantville leg of her tour, Boylicious, the new teen sensation.
Yo, what's up, Pleasantville? How y'all doing? Better see you at the show Friday night.
Devin is so hot.
Look away, look away!
Leave your boyfriends at home. Peace and love.
What is that, dirt on his chin?
So, Devin, how much longer are we gonna be on tour? Because I miss the food back home. I haven't had a decent Blarglon burger since we left Remulac.
Chad, we're gonna tour the Earth until we complete our mission. By the way, when we're alone, call me Admiral.
No, there you go. Heck, no, I won't go. Heck, Tommy, I'm glad you're here. Help me unfurl this boycott Boylicious banner.
All right, cool, but can't I wait till after the Boylicious press conference?
Say it ain't so, Tommy. You can't like Boylicious, you're a guy. Well, technically you're a guy-wolf hybrid, but still.
Come on, not that bad. Kind of fun, you know, all the dancing and everything. Plus, Devin's got a sweet motorcycle.
Hey guys, want to check out the press conference?
Oh, don't tell me you like them too.
Please, I'm not 14, but Devin is kind of hot.
Let's go. Afterwards.
And remember, there are other guys in the band besides Devin, so feel free to ask away.
Hi there, pretty lady. Go ahead.
Okay. This question's for Devin. Is it fun, like, singing and being on the road and stuff?
Oh, yeah, it's a lot of fun. Although, it can get pretty lonely. But we try to keep it real.
Excuse me. Just curious. By keeping it real, does that mean having pat responses to softball questions, not writing your own songs, or lip syncing at your concerts?
No, what I mean is, we are 100%
Boylicious.
I'm on it. Giggle.
Girls? Hey, he's in his 30s. He's got crow's feet.
Huh. New Boylicious video. Okay. I'll sample your flavor.
You know, I've always thought it'd be kind of cool to be in a boy band.
The price is too high, little bro. Trust me, I know. Back in junior college, I used to front a group known as Forever. We had it all. Mediocre looks, passable voices, and the uncanny ability to do almost anything in unison.
Really? Do you think you can teach me some of your stuff?
Great. First, we begin with the pose. Go down on your haunches and try and look misunderstood. Yeah. Okay, now we need a cool handle for you. Let's try, T-Schmoove. The cute, nice guy of the group, huh? Yeah. Now, start practicing your footwork. And don't stop until it hurts. Yes. Shimmy, shake, shake. Spaghetti arms, spaghetti arms.
Rebecca Maria Conchita Dingle, get down here this minute! You were due home from school 2 hours ago. These brownies won't stay warm forever, you know.
I needed a new outfit for the Boylicious concert tonight. You can't expect Devin to fall in love with me in last year's clothes.
And how, may I ask, did you pay for this X-rated little number?
With the grocery money Mom and Dad left?
Oh, okay, that's it. I'm not gonna spank you because you're my sister, and I love you, and you're stronger than me. But you leave me no choice. You're grounded.
What?
No Boylicious concert for you. Go to your room. I'll be up later with Boggle. Oh, hey, you might as well take these. It's all we can afford to eat for the next 2 days. I don't know who tough love is tougher on, her or me.
Okay, guys, listen up. A few quick things. Our footwork is still a bit sloppy on Please Don't Cry. Chad, you've been sweating profusely on Don't Sweat the Technique. And finally, the launch pod is fully operational. Soon we will beam our first Pleasantville girl to our home planet.
Sorry to disturb you guys. I had to let her in. She's got foodstuffs.
Hi. I just want to wish you guys luck on your show tonight and give you these. Actually, they're for Devin.
Oh, okay, that's cool. But FYI, Chad has feelings too.
Please, come in.
So, what kind of things do you guys do in here?
Well, you're about to find out.
We're trying to find this girl. Seriously, please, if you could just take this and pass it back. This is my sister. She's better looking than me, but seriously, please help. Got milk? Thanks. Okay, thanks. Here, thanks. Here, thanks. Here, thanks.
Bert, what are you doing?
Oh, Becky's missing. Look, I forbade her from coming to see Boylicious, but she defied me. You need to help me find her.
Whoa. Relax. Maybe she went off and joined one of those weird cults or something.
Tommy.
Well, how long has she been gone?
Anywhere from 13 to 17 and a half minutes. We need to split up. Lori, go check inside. We'll go check backstage. Go.
This is where the guys hang out after the show. There's our bags of fan mail. Over here, this is where JC writes in his journal. Stay deep, bro.
Cool. What's this thing?
Oh, that. Oh, it's an ionic immobilizer.
What's it do?
This. Prepare the pod. She'll make an excellent first victim.
Commencing launch.
Whoa, where do you think you're going, Dingle?
Look, Tim, I need to get inside. I think my sister may be in there.
Sorry, Dingle, girls only. Maybe a sissy, but you're not a girl.
Yo, Tim, bro.
Yeah, just wanted to say thanks. Keep up the good work.
Thanks, dude.
Tommy, Becky's in there. Those are the brownies I baked her.
Oh, slow down. All right, listen. How do you know those are even yours?
Are you kidding? That aroma, that rich, chocolatey texture. Plus, I recognize the heart I baked into the top. Now look, get Wolfie and don't be afraid to use some fang. Get in there.
This is stupid. I can't wolf out in front of all these people. You know what? I think you're freaking out over nothing here. Right? She's not in there.
Well, she is.
No, she's not.
But the brownies. You gotta go. Fine. I don't need the werewolf to solve all my problems. I can get in there myself. With pride and with dignity.
Whoa. Where do you think you're going?
Well, hello there, handsome. I don't suppose I could go back and see the boys?
Sure, go on in, and maybe after the show, you can come back and see me. Feisty. I like it.
Hey, pretty lady.
Oh. So, are there any other girls here? About yay high, brown hair, sharp tongue?
No, just you.
You think she's hot enough, Dev?
I've got a quota to fill. Listen, we don't have a lot of time, so I'm just gonna take you right to the best part.
Yeah, hands off, Grablicious.
No, I think you'll really like it in the booth. It's where we do all of our singing.
Hey, don't get fresh with me. Holy lizard, man.
Dude, it's a dude.
So, you're a group of singing, dancing humanoid reptilians? What's that like?
Actually, we're Gorkons from a galaxy you call M11.
I hear good things about M11.
See, our planet desperately needs women. So, we've been swiping attractive females from Earth and shipping them back home.
That's fascinating. I can't wait to keep all that information to myself and never tell anyone after you let me go.
I don't think so.
Wait, is this what you did to my sister? You launched her in a pod? Gah, if you harmed a hair on her head, I swear by the hammer of Thor, I'll...
You'll what?
Yeah, I did kind of run out of steam there, didn't I? So, me in the pod? That's okay. Let the earthling go!
Silence! Chad, get a new humanoid coverlet and get to the stage. I'll launch him and catch up. You know what's weird?
What?
Chad's hand just came off and he's got green blood.
Oh no. Merton! Come on!
So, why come to Earth? The climate? The beaches? The lack of a cohesive intergalactic defense system?
Because your girls are the easiest to impress. All you need are some fly dance moves and good hair. Bon voyage. Let him go! A dog beast of Cardiff? What are you doing on this planet?
Tommy! Maury! He's an alien and he's about to fire me back to his home planet with a horde of hot girls! Never mind.
Well, actually, I changed the coordinates to 22 degrees, 14 minutes, and 8 seconds.
A little help here?
I'm launching you directly into the sun.
Oh, okay, the sun.
Commencing launch. Commencing launch.
Tommy, hurry! Get his medallion!
My little buddy stays on this planet, you Martian freak!
Gorkonian, actually, but why split hairs?
Launch aborted. Commencing launch.
Your next dog beast.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Launch
6-4,
aborted.
ladies' lingerie. There's no place like home! There's no place like home!
10, 9, 8,
You know,
7,
pretty cute for a girl with just 2 eyes.
5,
Lori, now!
4, 3, 2, launch aborted.
I reserved a non-smoking booth. We have to get Becky back.
Hey, check it out, Martin. There's a launch recall button.
Nothing's happening.
To recall a successful launch, we need all 5 medallions.
Okay, we got Devon's. How are we gonna get the other 4?
Devin, hurry up. They're about to introduce us. Come on, man.
I don't know about this, Martin. Do you think he'll be able to get all those medallions?
No. Unfortunately, he's our only hope. I hate to see him dancing around with a swishy boy band.
Every girl I see, I just wanna make mine. Every girl I wanna make mine. Everywhere I go,
wow, yeah.
There's one thing that is true. Every woman is beautiful. Every woman is beautiful to me. Every woman is
Freeze, Earthling! One zap for my ionic immobilizer and you won't wake up for days. Can I have that bag, please?
Sure, Chad.
Oh, right on.
What's he saying? Tommy, I took Spanish 3, not Babylon 5.
Tommy!
Dance, Earthling!
Oh, I guess the Vulcan nerve pinch only works when applied by Vulcans. Did you know Leonard Nimoy directed 3 Men and a Baby?
Nice moves, Tommy.
Yeah. Just call me T, Schmoove. Tommy's better.
Yeah, who's the bad boy now?
Martin, hi. Hate to interrupt your taunting, but we have to save your sister. Come on.
Launch recall.
What happened? Boylicious was gonna take me on tour with them.
Yeah.
What did you say to them? And why are you wearing my sweater, freaker?
It's Great to have you back, sis.
Well, Boylicious kind of lost their popularity after that night. We put them in their own launcher and fired them back where they came from.
Boylicious.
And Becky? After a while, she decided she didn't like Boylicious anymore. I guess she just outgrew the whole boy band thing.
Brett B is way hotter than Brett C.
And as for my pop career, I decided being in a band just wasn't for me. I needed something a little smaller.